Have you ever wondered why some women seem to effortlessly attract partners while others struggle? Could the secret be in their feminine energy? As we embark on this journey of exploration and understanding, let's first unpack the concept of feminine energy. It is not just about being a woman, but it is an energy that is within all of us, regardless of gender. It's the softer, nurturing, intuitive side that balances out the more assertive, logical, masculine energy. Both energies are essential, yet in the realm of dating and relationships, feminine energy has a unique and powerful role to play. Think of feminine energy like a magnetic force. It's not about chasing or pursuing, but about attracting and drawing in. It's like a dance where one partner leads and the other follows, each moving in harmony with the other. When feminine energy is in its full flow, it invites, it entices, it captivates. It's that intriguing blend of mystery, warmth, and inner strength that can be absolutely irresistible. But why is feminine energy so important in dating? Well, it's simple. It creates balance. When two people come together, they bring their own energies into the mix. If one partner is predominantly in their masculine energy, the feminine energy of the other creates a harmonious balance. It's like a beautiful dance, where each partner complements the other, creating a synergy that's both powerful and enchanting. Now, imagine harnessing this energy, nurturing it, and letting it shine. Picture how it could transform your dating life, drawing in partners who appreciate and resonate with your energy. By understanding and embracing your feminine energy, you're not just improving your dating life, you're also creating a space for healthier, more balanced relationships. So as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic, remember, it's not about changing who you are, it's about understanding the power you hold within and using it to create the relationships you desire. Understanding and embracing your feminine energy can transform your dating life. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating topic. So, what exactly is feminine energy, and how can you tell if you're embracing it? Well, feminine energy, in its purest form, is a unique blend of gentle power and nurturing force. It's not about being weak or submissive, but rather about understanding and harnessing your innate strength as a woman. Think of feminine energy as the embodiment of qualities such as empathy, intuition, and nurturing. This energy is all about being open, receptive, and in tune with your emotions and the emotions of others. It's about feeling deeply, loving fiercely, and nurturing unconditionally. In the dating world, these qualities can make a woman incredibly attractive. They show a depth of character that goes beyond physical beauty, reflecting a woman's ability to connect on a deeper, more meaningful level. It's important to remember that everyone has a mix of feminine and masculine energy within them, regardless of gender. Now that we know what feminine energy is, how can we increase it? Increasing your feminine energy is simpler than you might think. Here are the first two ways to do it. First off, let's talk about self-care routines. This doesn't just mean a weekly spa date or a monthly manicure, although those things can certainly be part of your routine. No, true self-care is about nurturing your body, your mind, and your spirit. It's about taking time each day to do something, however small, that makes you feel good. This could be as simple as taking a walk in nature, reading a book, or practicing yoga. When you care for yourself, you're sending a message to both yourself and the world around you that you're valuable and worthy of care. This naturally increases your feminine energy and makes you more attractive to others. Next, let's discuss embracing your emotions. In a world where we're often told to toughen up or be strong, it can be a radical act of self-love to allow yourself to feel. Whether it's joy, sorrow, anger, or love, each emotion is a part of the rich tapestry that makes up who you are. Embracing your emotions doesn't mean being ruled by them, but rather acknowledging them as valid and important. This emotional openness can lead to a deep well of strength and resilience, increasing your feminine energy and making you more attractive to others. But remember, there's no right way to be feminine. These are just suggestions, ways to tap into that energy if it feels right for you. And remember, increasing your feminine energy isn't about attracting someone else. It's about feeling more aligned with yourself, feeling more grounded and present in your own life. So there you have it. 2 ways to start increasing your feminine energy: nurturing self-care routines and embracing your emotions. Start with these, and you'll be well on your way to a more vibrant, radiant you. Those were the first 2 ways to increase your feminine energy, but there's more. Ready for more ways to boost your feminine energy? Here are the next 2. Our third method is practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in the moment, of being aware of our thoughts, feelings, and the world around us. It allows us to connect deeply with ourselves and others. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to listen to our intuition, our inner voice, and this is a powerful aspect of feminine energy. In dating, this can translate into being in tune with your feelings and those of your partner, creating a deeper bond and understanding. Mindfulness can be cultivated through various techniques. Meditation is a popular one, as it encourages us to quiet our minds and focus on our breath or a particular thought. This practice can help us tap into our inner wisdom, our feminine energy. Other mindfulness techniques include yoga, walking in nature, or simply taking a few moments each day to sit in silence and observe your thoughts without judgment. Moving on to our fourth way to increase feminine energy, pursuing passions. Your passions, the things that make your heart sing, are a direct line to your feminine energy. Whether it's painting, dancing, writing, cooking, or even rock climbing, whatever it is that you love to do, do more of it. The joy and fulfillment you feel when you're immersed in your passion is a potent form of feminine energy. In dating, this passion can be incredibly attractive, as it demonstrates that you are a woman who knows herself, loves herself, and lives life to the fullest. So there we have it. Practice mindfulness to connect with your inner wisdom and pursue your passions to radiate joy and fulfillment. These are powerful ways to enhance your feminine energy and increase your appeal in dating. We've covered 4 ways to boost your feminine energy, but we've saved the best for last. The final way to increase your feminine energy might surprise you. Ready to find out what it is? Brace yourself, because we're diving deep into the heart of femininity. The ultimate way to amplify your feminine energy is by embracing vulnerability. Vulnerability, you ask? That's right. It may seem counterintuitive, but let's dissect this. When we say vulnerability, we're not talking about weakness or insecurity. Instead, we're referring to the courage to express your authentic self, uninhibited and unashamed. This includes showing your emotions, sharing your dreams and fears, and being open to love and connection. This is why vulnerability is the most powerful way to increase your feminine energy. It's about stripping away the masks and revealing your true essence. It's about letting go of the societal pressures to always be strong, independent, and unbreakable. It's about honoring your emotions as a source of strength, not a sign of weakness. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you invite others to do the same. This creates a deep, resonant connection that is incredibly attractive. It's like a magnetic pull that draws people towards your authentic self. It's a connection that goes beyond physical attractiveness and delves into the realm of emotional intimacy. Imagine going on a date and feeling free to express your true feelings and thoughts without fear of judgment or rejection. Imagine being able to connect on a deeper level beyond superficial small talk. That's the power of vulnerability. That's the power of feminine energy. So how can you embrace vulnerability? Start by acknowledging your feelings and expressing them openly. Practice self-compassion and treat yourself with love and kindness. Remember, it's okay to feel, it's okay to be human, and there you have it. Embracing vulnerability isn't just about increasing your feminine energy. It's about being true to yourself. It's about stepping into your power and shining your light for the world to see. And when you do that, you become irresistible. Those are the 5 ways to increase your feminine energy. Let's recap. We've covered a lot today. Let's quickly summarize. We delved into the captivating world of feminine energy and its powerful role in dating. This potent energy is a magnetic force, drawing in those who are aligned with its unique frequency. We've unearthed 5 ways to amplify this energy. First, we highlighted the importance of self-care. Second, we emphasized the power of embracing vulnerability, a gateway to connections. Our third point revolved around the art of active listening, a skill that fosters genuine engagement. Fourth, we discussed transformative of boundaries, a testament to one's self-worth. Lastly, we underscored the value of celebrating one's femininity, a celebration of self that radiates outward. Just remember, these methods are not overnight fixes, but rather they are gradual towards a fulfilling dating life. Embrace your feminine energy and watch your dating life flourish. Until keep shining. And as you go, Don't forget to subscribe for more content. We'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Remember, this channel is all about you, our ladies. So express your thoughts and let your voices be heard. Talk soon, ladies.